Say hello. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is a DIY on bentonite clay. We have different types of clay, Abidjan clay. We have a whole lot. We have unsmoked Ayilo and the rest. But today we'll be using the smoked ones. Okay, so let's dive right into the video. I start off by breaking my clay molds, which is the Ayilo, into a crusher for smooth blend. I'm not using the real blender because I want a smooth consistency. I don't know if you get what I mean. Yes. So after I pour it into a ceramic bowl, you can use a wooden bowl or a plastic bowl. Please do not use any metal because that will activate the clay before it gets on your hair. So that's the consistency. And I start off by spritzing my hair with water to get it a bit damp, not soaking wet and not dry. I put in my clay when it's a bit damp. So bentonite clay has a negative charge, so it attracts positive charge, therefore it acts as a detoxifying or clarifying mask on your hair. The clay also gets rid of buildups and other toxins from your hair, so it's really good when you use bentonite clay, kaolin clay, or any other clay in your hair. Alright, so this clay also helps with irritated scalp. This also encourages hair growth and reduces frizz from the hair. And wow, I don't know if you have noticed that my coils became curls and they started popping. Wow, where else can you get this except using a bentonite clay, like Kaolin clay? Nigerians call it NZU. All you need is just water. People add apple cider vinegar and other oils and blah blah blah, but I prefer just water. I noticed I didn't talk about it earlier, but yes, I just added water. Please, if you've made it to this far of the video, kindly like and subscribe. If you haven't, I'll be very happy if you share this video amongst your friends and family too. Thank you very much.